Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how we can do a Python certification for free. So let's get started. So first, you need to go to a link which is provided into the description. So once you open the link, you will see this website which is of a great learning, and the course name is Python Fundamentals for Beginners. So this is the course which is for the beginner levels, and you can see this course is free. We can just enroll for free, and once you do the certification complete, you will get this certification by the Great Learning. So if I go down and check what you learn in the Python fundamental for the beginners, so these are nothing but the basic contents of the course, which is nothing but the programming concept, Python basics, variable and data type in Python, Python data structure, operators and string in Python, control flow statement in function. So you will see the information like it has a free time access, then you will get a completion certificate, and it is a 4 hours self-paced video lecture. So you can just complete the course whenever you have time. So if you go to the course outline, you will see what are the topics which are covered into the Python beginners course. So if I open this one by one, you can see the importance and application of a programming languages. So that is a general topic for all the programming languages. Then we have a variable in programmings. Then we have a decision making statements, which are nothing but the if else and all. So looping statement are nothing but the do while statements, and other also. Then we have a functions in programming. Then we have object oriented programming concepts. So these are the basic pillars for the programming languages. Then we have an algorithm approach to solve the problem, introduction to Python. So from this you will get to know the Python basics, and intro to the Jupyter notebook, which is nothing but the IDE which is used for development of the Python. Then we have variable and data type in Python, operator in Python, tokens, strings, data structures, if statement, looping statements in Python, which are nothing but the for loop, one of the example. Then function in the Pythons. Then we have introduction to the object oriented programming in Python. Then the first class, you will also get the examples in this. So they will show you how you can code in the Python. Creating a class with the constructor, inheritance in Python, types of inheritance. So these are some basic concepts or the object oriented concepts which are available there in the Python, and you will learn those basics from this course. So this is our course instructor, and once you complete the course, you can just check the certificate template here. You will get this type of a certificate. So they have also given the companies name which are recruiting for the Python developers like Google, Visa, Microsoft and Amazon. So if we go up, you can just enroll for free, and if I enroll, since I already logged in into the website, I can just directly enroll. So you will see the contents which we have seen there. All the contents are available here, and also the time is available there, like for each video we will have some time, so that is also available. If I open any of the video, I'll just play the video, and you will see it started. So we just have to complete all these topics, and when all the topics are completed, we will have a quiz. So once you complete the topic, this will unlock, and once you give this quiz and pass the quiz, then you will have a certificate. So by this, you can just get a free certification course of the Python. So you can just go and grab your certificate. That's it guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.